Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Choosilay Foldable Lawn Mower Lift Jack. There are include: sturdy and durable. High-quality steel structure with a load capacity of 890 pounds or 405 kilograms, ensuring stable support and long-term use of the lawn mower. Upgraded dual mode. Provides manual or electric operation options. Manual handle, manually rotate clockwise to lift. Electric handle, the drill clamps for fast rotation. Adjustable height and foldable. The height can be adjusted. The maximum opening angle is 45 degrees. The head and tail are foldable and telescopic to reduce storage space. Widening and lengthening. Width 21.4 inch or 54.5 centimeters, length 42.5 inch or 108 centimeters, suitable for almost all lawn mowers. Easy to assemble. Installation is very simple and takes only a few minutes to assemble. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.